Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to Sous Vide Brisket test number 2. That's right, number 2. The second video in my 3-video Sous Vide Brisket cooks, or brisket tests. We're getting uncanny with a nice can of Coca-Cola. Cheers, big ears. There will be a link to test number 1, either upstairs in the iCard and in the description down below. This time we're running our sous vide at 130 degrees, and we're going to cook 24 hours. This is frozen, so we're going to do for 25 hours. This is 1 week after the first cook, and 1 week from now the third brisket sous vide test will be out. So this is 1370 grams. It's already seasoned just with salt and pepper. Looks like that, and in she goes. Get in there, bitch nuts. Hot, hot. All right, so we'll be back in 24 hours. And hopefully this one comes out as good or better than number 1. Number 1 was good. It was a little bit dry, but it wasn't a fail. It was very tasty, very tender. And I'll bring the camera over here. Oh, temperature's dropping down to 129 because we put a frozen piece of meat in there. Oh, back up to 130. No, I don't want to set the timer. Here, let's take a looky-loo. Give me a second. Here you go. 130. So we'll be back tomorrow in about 25 hours, and we will get that brisket on the smoker and see how she comes out. But before then, we're going to have another shot of this lovely Coca-Cola. Cheers, big ears. RTFO, mofos. Howdy ho, bitches! Woohoo! Well, it's been 24 hours. Brisket number 2 is done in the water bath. Stop. 130 degrees. Beep. It looks different than the first one, because that one was cooked at 155. A little bit different, a little bit lighter. Let's dry that off, and we'll empty the juice out of it. Doesn't look like there's as much juice. As bag number 1, or brisket number 1. It's not as dark, but it is dark. Darker than I expected. Alright, let me drain the juice out, and we'll put some Montreal steak spice on there. And the pit bitch is running at 225. We'll put that on there for a couple of hours. Nice and warm. Right on. Oh. Let's get uncanny with a fucking Coca-Cola, shall we? Cheers, big ears. Fuck yeah. Whoa, RTFO. Alright, bitches, we got her drained out. Not nearly as much juice as the first brisket that was cooked at 155. Hardly anything. All right. So let's cut this open. Removez-vous. Come on, bitchy. Bitchy McBitchnet. There we go. A little more juice in there with 3 milliliters. Big deal. All right. Now, let's throw on some Montreal. Smells great. You know how it goes, right? I'll do both sides, get the ends, blah blah blah. Tender. Give her a flipperoo. That kind of deal. You know how it goes, right? Have another zippy, and we'll get outside. RTFO mofos. Howdy ho, bitches. Here we go. Put this on, it's 225, so probably about 2 hours. And judging by how this came out, from the sous vide cooker, the next week's test is going to be, I think, it's going to go well. I think. We're going to spritz that when it needs it. But, yeah, I think the next week's we'll get all the brisket bitches all up in an uproar. That's the way she rolls, eh? Cheers, big ears. This will probably get the brisket bitches in an uproar. I don't care. Oh, fuck, that's good, eh? See you in a bit. Howdy ho, bitches. It's been just over 2.5 hours. Cheers, big ears. Don't know what the temperature of the meat is. Didn't bother checking. Don't want to check. Looks nicer than test number 1. Feels a bit better. Smells fucking great. There you go. Looks like that. So you're gonna bring this inside the house, tent it in foil, and let it rest for about an hour. Fuck yeah. See you in about an hour. Drink up, buttercup. Oh, fuck, it smells good. Fuck yeah. Woohoo! RTFO mofos. Howdy ho, bitches! Woohoo! It's been an hour. Still good and fucking warm. Could wait longer, but then it'd be a bit different than the last one, right? Time to make her a fucking Laker, eh? Let's get uncanny with the Laker. Fuck yeah. I've been waiting for this. Cheers, big ears! Woohoo! Oh, baby. Fuck, that's good. Time to get tuned and gooned. Woo! Alrighty, let's take a looky-loo. Nice. Smells great. Holy fuck. That smells beautiful. That's awesome. Have yourself a little fucking gander. Nice. Alright. Put that on the board. And let's slice it up. Fuck, it smells good. Alright. Give me a second. I'll be back. Alright, bitches. There we go. Oh, fuck yeah. Well, let's fucking cut this. Let's see if it's better than brisket test number 1. I'll tell you right now, it cuts way better. Still not super juicy. Tender. Pink. Nice. All right. I'm liking it. A lot more juicy. Still not super juicy, but a lot more juicy than test number 1. Nice. Fuck yeah. Okay. I'm gonna slice this, continue to slice this. Fuck, easy for me to say, eh? Juicy. Okay, let me get a few more slices off here and I'll be right back. Woo! RTFO mofos. Chug-a-lug, doodle-bug. Well, I gotta tell you, just by looking at it, brisket test number 2 was more successful than number 1. Fuck yeah. That was 130 degrees. Smoked at 225 for 2.5 hours. Drink up, buttercup. Oh, fuck yeah. But, you know, we gotta see what the brisket bitches think. It's all about the dangle, isn't it? We're gonna have a bit of a good fucking dangle on this? Well, here, you tell me. Is this? That one's pretty. That's good thickness too. We can go even thinner if you want. Is this a good dangle? I bet you haven't seen a fucking dangle like this. This is the best fucking dangle you're ever gonna see in any brisket video. Check this out.
Genuine ostrich. 3 payments. Oh! Wait, what? I'm just goofing. New boot goofing. Oh.
How's that for a fucking dangle, eh? Lieutenant Jim Dangle. Thanks, Jim. You're the best dangle. Well, there you go. There's the real dangle. Who gives a fuck? I don't give a fuck. I don't care if it dangles, pulls, does whatever. Does it fucking taste good? Oh my god. That is fucking great. Fuck me. Fuck, I should have made buns. That was fucking beautiful. Holy shit. Sure, it's not like it was smoked up to 202 degrees. This probably didn't even get up to about I don't know. I bet you didn't get up to 180. Oh my god. Wait. But wait, there's more. Need a new bottle. Horseradish. Fuck yeah. There you go. Bitch nuts. Yummy. Oh fuck. That's fucking great. Oh yeah. I see another video in the future of this brisket. There's a little bit of fat. I'm gonna have to eat that. Fuck me. That's so good. Alright. Success. Would I do this again? Yes. Is it like a true barbecue brisket? Absolutely fucking not. But it's fucking good. Oh my god. Wash hands. Oh yeah. Right on. Alright, bitches. I'm gonna cut the rest of that up. Now I'm gonna plan something to eat. Fuck me, that's fucking great. Cheers, big ears. Stay tuned for Sous Vide Brisket test number 3. Coming in a week. Oh yeah. Will it be better than this? I don't know. Probably not. But you don't know unless you try. So until the next brisket test video, arrivederci Roma, take it easy. Piano piano. RTFO mofos. Woo!